There's 3.167 billion lines of code in your DNA, in every cell. Isn't that mind-blowing? And within your code, there's clumps of the code drawn together into what they call genes. So that's big chunks of the code are put together, and so part of the genetic expression is, so all the codes in there, like the shape of your nose is in your genetic code, okay? And so your lungs are in the genetic code. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And so what happens is there's this thing called genetic expression, and genetic expression is like, what part is when the clump of coding, the clump that's clumped together into a gene, is switched on. So your genes can be switched on and switched off. And so the question isn't, here's something really, 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 really amazing. This is what epigenetics is about. If you change the environments of humans for an extended period, their genes, genetics will express differently. So all the code's there, but it might not necessarily express itself. And when I talk about genetic expression again, it's like switching on the light. And so genetic expression is like switching on a light. And interestingly enough, the cable fell out, right? So the light wouldn't come on. In environments where we feel unsafe, it inhibits the expression of our genetic code. In a safe environment, it allows your genetic code to express itself. If it's not safe enough, your genes, their specific parts of the genetic code won't switch on. And so you're made in his likeness and image, and one of the things that we need in our life is safe environments, because what that creates is it allows our system to actually calm down, to not be on such high alert vigilance, which I learned in my family of origin.